Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the 3i mobile app settings for the 3i S10 Ultra. If you're interested in this vacuum or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the mobile app with our vacuum already set up. We have a couple of key shortcuts up there at the top, followed by the purple Get It Started button. So the Get Started button takes us into all of our device settings here, where we currently have a couple of notifications. Dust bags not installed. Sometimes it'll tell us that the wheels are suspended since we have it up off the ground. There's a look at our current map. It's all in that 3D view. And we can basically zoom in and rotate it around. It built out all the furniture and everything for us automatically, identified the refrigerator. Pretty cool. So that's a look at our map right there. Down below that, we have all of our cleaning options: AI Auto, Full, Room, or Zone Clean. Right now, at the time of this video, there's only one zone you can set up for zone cleaning at a time. So here it is, and then we can choose our parameters. Vac and mop, just vacuum 1 or 2 times, and you can adjust the power and water volume. And then here's room, so we can do multiple rooms. We can select them. And then we can pick and choose for that room our cleaning preference. And you can do that room by room, right? So we could change that one. Then we got our full clean. For our full clean here, again, all the parameters that you've already seen. And then down below, we have our return to station and start. Since our vacuum's out, that'll change if you have it back at the station. It'll give you options to like empty and dry. Below the settings gear icon, we have our map editing features here, so we can manage our maps. It does support multi-maps, multi-floor, multi-level mapping. So we have 4 maps currently saved. We can edit rooms on our maps, merge, split, rename, and adjust the floor material, so you can build that out. We have no-go zone editing, so you can add up to 10 no-go zones. Now, this is not broken out into no mopping or no vacuuming. It's all-encompassing, so it won't mop or vacuum in those spots. We can adjust furniture and layers to the map. And in the top right-hand corner, we have all of our device settings here where we can see like our cleaning history. So here's a look at a breakdown of our full clean, the efficiency, how long it took. See our map right there. Cleaning pattern, everything's row by row. We have more cleaning details here. We can set a schedule, choose when you want it to clean. There's our map editing again. Here's our cleaning settings. So do you want the auto retractable edge cleaning on or off? Intelligent order. Carpet settings, do you want to turn on carpet boost or carpet avoidance? More robot settings, child lock, do not disturb, language volume, location. There's even this auto leveling option too. I haven't seen that before in a vacuum. So you can re-level your vacuum. Restore and delete. Then our AI recognition, you can toggle that on or off, and the different AI display types. Each one kind of breaks out those settings in more detail. Here's the green eye dirt detection. I like having the laser on. Station settings, so do you want it to add cleaning solution, station lighting, so you can toggle the station lights on or off. Do you want to turn on the water production by air, current humidity level, and then you can adjust the range, 30% all the way up to 80. Quick relocation at the bottom too. It basically empties the water in the station before you transport the robot. And then we have our consumables. This gives us basically the shelf life for key parts and components and when it's time to do maintenance and replace them. We can share the device with friends or family. We can update the firmware. We can learn more about this machine, privacy and security, and feedback down at the bottom. So that's a quick look at the app in its current state and what you can control settings-wise and what you can see and customize for your clean.